bits of ugly cracked concrete, old stamped terracotta red, cracks, synthetic turf, all 4 letters, and straight over the top. Fixed in about 4 hours. Installing the first piece is a crucial part of when you start your synthetic turf installation. The first piece takes the most amount of time. You need to get it square and set, square off one edge and set. Once that piece is square, all the others will be set off that 4, 2, 4, 2. So getting this first one set and square is crucial that it's done right. I'm putting it in, facing it in the direction that's going to be viewed best, which is this way. And I'm lining it up so that the piece that I have here goes right into that corner there, right into that corner there. So to cut this in so the back sits perfectly and neatly, you've got to roll the backing in. Roll it into the corner and find where that piece fits and meets the end, meets the edge. Once you find that bit there, score it. Score the turf like this, and then come back at a 45. Come back at a 45, and then flap it in. Then it will start to show the shape that it needs to be. This one I did earlier is this one. Then you can get it closer to the shape it needs to be. Cutting in 101. Now it's cut in perfectly. There's your lay off cuts. And this is the other side to do. By rolling it back and scoring it with your knife down in there where it meets all those scores, then you roll it back and cut between the scores. Okay, another one, another one. It's better to do this when the backing is hot because it's a lot softer. Right now it's like thick leather, so it's very hard to press. As you can see, I'm pressing down to try and get it as close to that wall as possible. Bing, 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 bing. Perfect. Put all those in a pile, get a garbage bag, fill them up. All right, let's see if we can get on.
Thanks for watching all the way to the end. This is the new joining system. If you want to learn more about this joining system and how it operates and how it makes it the joins invisible, just click the link on the screen now and subscribe, and we'll show you all the tricks and tips.